How to check link in bio on Instagram, simple tutorial. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can check the link in bio on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if there is a certain person that you follow and they say you that the link is in bio, how do you find the link to their bio? So if they say you, then just go to their profile picture, and inside that profile picture, under their profile, you'll find a certain link in its blue text. So that is what they mean by saying link in bio. So you can also check your link in bio by simply tapping on this option, that person's one, and you'll be taken to a certain link where all of their other things are located. If you also want to do such similar activities on your profile, you can come to your profile page, go to edit profile, then choose to add a link, and you can choose to add an external link such as Facebook, social, YouTube, and you can also enter a custom URL over there. And this way you'll be able to check the link in bio in Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.